Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I am so excited to get in here. I've had it sitting over there for a couple of days and I have just been doing other boxes and I don't want to get into them before we sit down to do this because I like to be just as surprised as you guys, but that means I have been wanting to see what's in here for a very long time. So we are going to jump right into this in just a second. So Ipsy Plus is the middle child of the Ipsy sandwich right now. I'm mixing my metaphors. Okay, there are 3 Ipsy bags right now. There's the regular Ipsy bag, which is $12 now. It used to be $10, and you get 5 products, samples, deluxe samples. Sometimes they throw in a full-size product. There is this, the Ipsy Plus, where you get 5 full-size products, and it is $25. And now there is the Ipsy Ultimate, where you get 8 full-size products and 4 sample-size products. That's not fair. I had a much easier time telling my full-size and my samples apart this time, so it was better. But still, it is a $50 box, and I'm going to give it one more month. I'm not sure I'm going to stay with it because you could get the Plus, which has 5 full-size products for $25, throw in a couple of $3 add-ons, and have a great box. So that may be what I do going forward, but I'm going to give the Ultimate one more month. But before we jump into opening this box, I am going to ever so quickly show you my second Allure box. So to attempt to make Allure come earlier in the month, which is why I already have an Allure video up, I ordered it from Amazon. But I haven't stopped my one that comes directly from Allure yet. And that is what this is. So I'm just going to open it up real quick because there are probably things that I want to put in my giveaway. So if you haven't entered the giveaway, be sure and go over. You have to enter on the actual giveaway video first. But then I have been putting extra entries throughout my other videos, and we'll do that with this one too. But I want to go ahead and show you what I can put in the giveaway from this. Now, this is mostly repeats. The Amazon and the regular Allure box run really close to the same products. There sometimes is a differentiation for some reason in one product, and if there are lips or things like that, which there are this month, sometimes you get a different color. When I did my video, there were 3 products that I wasn't sure of that I didn't stop to look up ingredients on, and I can actually use 2 of them. I don't know if they're in here or not, but one that I cannot use is this, which is the Curology Clean Sweep, and it has a couple of ingredients in it I don't use. And I see, in looking at this, that it is down here too. So we will take both of these and add them to the giveaway. I have another e.l.f. putty, which was in my last video. We talked about this and opened all these in my last video. So I'll put a card up here in case you want to pop over and look at my last Allure video. I received more of the Bliss Incredipeels, which I have already put in my video. So we will add this one back there too. So you will have 10 Incredipeels. This is one of the products that I wasn't sure of that I can use, and it is the Freeze 24/7, and it is an eye cream, and I looked at the products and I can use it, so yay. This is new. Let me get my glasses. It is the Vichy Laboratories Double Glow Peel Mask with Volcanic Rock and AHA. That is what the box looks like, and since it has the AHAs in it and that, I'm just going to make the decision right now that I'm going to add it to the giveaway. Oh, look how pretty the bottle is. That is such a pretty packaging. So I'm going to pop this right back in this box, and we'll put it back in the giveaway. So for the giveaway, I now have 2 of the Curology cleansers, another Incredipeel, so there's already one back there, and a Vichy Double Glow Peeling Mask. Last but not least, I received in my other Allure box, which I put in the giveaway, the Tarte Under the Sea Lip in Boardwalk. And as you can see, I hope you, yeah, there you go. It's brown. And I was like, that's never going to work for me. So let's see what I got in this one. Okay, well, I may play with this one. This one's a little more fun, but I am not winning the... There we go. That's about the truest color. I am not winning the wearable color wheel of luck this month. Let's see what this looks like. Oh. She is flat out Barbie pink. I don't know if that's coming across, but this is just flat out Barbie pink. I'm going to keep it because I find it intriguing and it's something that I might want to play with probably next summer. Probably not something that I'll wear through the fall and the winter, but it's kind of fun. So we will add these back to the giveaway and let's get into that Ipsy box. I just can't make it so that you guys can see the whole giveaway anymore. There we go. Okay. Ipsy box, Ipsy Plus, November 2019. When we open it up, oh, I haven't even cut it yet. So that's probably not going to happen. I told you guys, I've been waiting to get into this. When I open it up, it says, discover yourself. I used to love when it said, don't be beautiful like them, be beautiful like you, but now we're discovering ourselves. I have the paper that's going to tell me what we have in here, and then this is my box of goodies. This month's theme is Wild Side. And that is what the cart looks like. And I'm going to dig down under my products in here to show you. This is the bag that comes with the Ipsy Plus. Now, I haven't received my regular glam bag yet, but I think it looks just like this, but it's just a skosh, just like that much smaller. So I will keep this up here so we can compare them. But it has a nice chocolate brown interior. And it has a little, I don't know if you can see it, Ipsy tag and a pretty little tasseled pull. So it's very plasticky, but I like the size that it's a little bit bigger because a lot of the ones that come in the Ipsies, I carry a lot of cosmetics with me when I go. Let's just reach right in for my first product. I have the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. Let's get this out of here and see what it looks like. I actually have a little Hydra Veil that I put back here in my giveaway. I just read the ingredients and there doesn't seem to be any reason that I can't use it, which I almost wonder if they've changed the formula. When you open it up, oh look, it has a little spatula inside. How cute is that? It does not want to come off. Okay, well when you open it, it's like, can you tell at the top? It's hanging like Jell-O. That is so, oh it's really, it came off almost like a sheet. That is so interesting. Let's see what this feels like. Oh, when you put it on, it's like taking a little piece of Jell-O and rubbing it onto your skin. It's got a really light scent. I can barely smell it. Just kind of floral maybe? I'm sure this comes off. Let's push my, oh, I felt like it did. Look how cute this little spatula is that comes with it. So cute. Taking it on and off each time. Not going to be super easy though, but as luck would have it, it just fits in the thing. I do love these pots of goodies. They look like they belong in a 50s commercial or something. Let's see what the paperwork says. Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer, the ultimate time saver. Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, instantly moisturizing and smoothing your skin in one simple step. The futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before foundation application. And it says it has a $45 value. It did. It absorbed so quickly. I mean, there's not even a little bit of anything left on my hands. I'm definitely going to try that. I'm trying so many new moisturizers these days. I'm so dry. Now that winter is here, I want to try them all. Next, I have the Deuce Punk Luminizer Mascara. I've actually had this in the past, and I think I had it from Ipsy, but it has been, I mean, it's probably been a year ago. And this is what it looks like when we take it out. And as I recall, well, I won't open it, but it has a great big fluffy brush. And this says, if you like the look of false lashes, then this mascara is for you. It delivers on drama and length without any smudging, flaking, or clumping. It's from Deuce, a beauty brand founded by two fashion and beauty pros who celebrate expressing individuality through makeup. And it says it has a $24 value. Well, I remember when I got this in my last box, after the first day, I was like, I don't know about this, but I persisted and I ended up liking it. So I'm absolutely going to set this aside to use. Next, I have the Apto Skincare Healing Mask, Turmeric. I actually think I have a sample of this. I will go see if my sample is still sealed, and if it is, we'll put it in the giveaway. This is all skin types, and it is 2 fluid ounces. And that is what the box looks like. Let's see the pack. This is, I love that this is all in its boxing. So if you wanted to regift it, you could. This is what the mask looks like. And the paperwork says, Apto Skincare believes that everyone should have access to organic, non-toxic, affordable skincare. This all-natural vegan mask is made with turmeric, a powerful spice from southern India. Use it to detoxify your pores, heal your skin, and minimize inflammation. So that is very interesting. Oh, it has a $32 value. That's a pricey little mask. This sounds like something I would use also more in the summer than in the winter. In the winter, really all I am interested in is hydrating. Next, I have the Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. Well, you know I need a sick sculpt. That didn't sound too silly, right? This is huge. 0.28 ounces, so it's not heavy, but the boxing, I mean, can you say it's a good size box. This was part of the collab they did this month with Gigi Gorgeous, and I received, actually, in my ultimate, I received the contour brush. So this works perfectly, and I'm using that brush. I am thoroughly enjoying it. Ooh, I like this. That is the contour, and it's super light. I think I can pull that off as a contour. That is so fun. Here, let's just swatch it a little bit. Just on the contour side is what I did. And that's the contrast with my skin. That's nice. That's going to be really subtle. I love that it's not huge. Let me do the lighter side and see if it's... Oh! What kind of magic is this? That is so interesting. Guys, this is the lighter side. So, like that. The top one is the top one and the bottom one is the bottom. See how light that looks? And it's coming off almost darker. Magic. So, I will absolutely give these a try. That is so interesting. I know a lot of people aren't fans of the collabs, but I mean, it feels probably like a less expensive way to sneak some product into our boxes. And I am not cool enough to know who Gigi Gorgeous is, but I love the colors of those bronzers. I think they're going to be perfect with my skin. That said, I am one light girl. Named for YouTube personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous, it's a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. These versatile shades can be worn alone or layered for a bespoke bronzing effect. $24 value. Okay, and last but not least, I have the Seraphim Botanicals Happy Hibiscus. And I think this is actually the product that I selected because I will not quit. Oh, I was going to say I will not quit until I find the perfect blush. But I will tell you, I picked this before we got the Natasha Denona. And that's what I used today, is that really dark red color that was in the Natasha Denona palette that was in our Boxycharm Premium. And I just love the way it sits kind of pinkish on my cheeks. I like it a lot. But let's see what we have here. So it was a nice plastic wrapping. I've taken it out of that. And now it's going to slide out of this, I hope. Yep. It's just exactly on the inside like it is on the outside. Oh, and it's very pretty. It looked, as you can imagine, way pinker when I made this decision. That is what it looks like. And that right there, I feel like is pretty true to the coloring. This one is a little pink, but even it is a little peach. But I chose it because it looked pinker online. And to stand up for myself, I will tell you that, see this great big rusty color up here? It's called Creamy Rose. It's not rose. And this one is called Petal Silky Pink. And it's kind of pink, but it definitely is leading peach. This is Harvest Golden Nude and Dewdrop Eliminating Green. I'm not going to swatch these. I'm not going to put them in my giveaway yet either because this is far closer to my daughter's skin tone and she might actually like this and I want to check with her first. I am really surprised how warm this is because like I said, with, you know, Creamy Rose and Petal Pink, I had a different vision. Any way you look at it, it is super pretty. Let's see what the paperwork says. It's a $48 value, but I'll tell you why I picked it too. Makeup that's healthy, organic, and fair trade, so you can feel good using it. Sign us up. This vegan blush palette is made with 99% natural ingredients, and it's flattering on every skin tone. The peachy and shimmery shades can be mixed and matched for a custom glowy flush. So that's why I selected it. It's 99% natural. I get on a fit about I'm using way too many chemicals on my face and I should do something healthier, and this gave me the opportunity to try that. The back of it says vegan, GMO free, gluten free. It doesn't mention talc. It has cornstarch instead. It's just great. I hope the colors work for my daughter. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming by. That was my Ipsy Glam Plus box, plus a little sneaky peek of a few Allure added in. So we had the Gigi Gorgeous bronzer, the Illamasqua moisturizer, the Apto face mask, the Deuce mascara, which I looked up online and that's where it told me to say Deuce, and the Seraphim Botanicals Happy Hibiscus blush palette. So I think that that is a great box. I got $173 worth of product. They promise you in this box you'll get more than $120. So knock that out of the park. It's a nice variation of products, from mascaras and moisturizers to good face things. And I just really like it. Let me know below what you guys think. And for your extra entry, let me know below. Do you bronze? Do you use a bronzer or a contour? I use those words interchangeably, and I know they're not interchangeable. I suspect I don't ever do what they consider contouring because I don't use a really dark color. I just use a little bit of this, and I just come kind of right in here. And let me know, do you bronze? Do you contour? Do you do both? And we'll do an extra entry for the giveaway. So thanks again for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have a new video coming out, and I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.